It's a story?
Okay. This is my baby story.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah. And Ryan and Alex were born first. And this is me, and this is
I can't see. Let me see.
Oh, this is me, and this
I still can't see. Hold it up.
This is me, and this is me.
Oh.
And
Where were you born?
Snickers. Raleigh, North Carolina.
That's right. Okay. Okay. And then what
And
happened?
this is Snickers.
Oh, who was born first, do you think?
Lion. No, Snickers. Snickers.
Snickers, right? And then who?
Lion.
Ryan, and then who?
Alex. Max.
And then
Me.
that's right.
Caitlin.
Very good storybook, Caitlin.
No. Actually, we're born first is Mom and Daddy. And Mom and Daddy were.
That's true.